Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, it is what it is. Your thought is as good as my thoughts. We are doing mukbang for the first time. Yay! Oh my god, I don't know why I'm laughing. I've not even started and I'm laughing already. Yeah. All thanks to Sister Flo Chinyere of All Nigerian Recipes. I did a recipe of osoji, that spicy peanut butter, and Sister Flo Chinyere of All Nigerian Recipe threw a challenge on me that I should do mukbang eating osoji with anyara, that's garden egg. As you can see here, I also have what is it called again, cucumber here. This is not cucumber chedemao. This one is directly from the farm. So that's what I will be doing today. I don't know how this video will turn out. I think this will be a bit of mukbang slash ASMR. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Sister Flo Chinyere, if you are watching this video, thank you so much. I love you. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Thank you so much for this challenge. And if you don't know who Sister Flo Chinyere of All Nigerian Recipe is, then you don't know anybody on Whitey Street. So guys, remember to check her channel out if you are lagging behind so that you will buckle up. This is 2022. You need to buckle up, man. So guys, without further ado, let's get right into chewing and biting and crunching. Okay, and here is Isi Sebonte. This is osoji spicy peanut butter. Like it's almost finished. I love this a lot. Like anytime I prepare this, I use this to eat a lot, to eat bread, I eat this a lot as my food. But when I opened this morning, I noticed that it's almost finished and I've not done the challenge. I was like, oh my god, I must get into this challenge tonight. So guys, let's do it before this spicy peanut butter gets finished, because I already told Sister Flo Chinyere that I'm gonna do this challenge. So yeah, let me stir it because sometimes oil gets to settle on the top of the peanut butter, so I need to stir it before pouring it out. So guys, get your garden egg, get your cucumber, get your popcorn, anyone you are biting on or you are chewing on. Let's get right into this challenge. Mukbang slash ASMR. Copy that, man. Remember to give this video a thumbs up and also share out the video to your family and friends, your colleagues. Yeah. So, and this is one of the things you serve to your visitors back home in Nigeria. I don't know about other parts of Africa, but in Nigeria, especially Igbo land, once you have a visitor, this is the first thing you serve. Anyara, some people call it afofa, and osoji. And osoji is also known as sokwose. So guys, I think I've talked too much. Yeah, let's start eating. This first bite is for you guys. Okay, let me give you with osoji. Sister Flo Chinyere, this is for you. But let me eat it for you. It has black seed. That doesn't mean that it's spoiled. When you're chewing this one, don't open your eyes, you close your eyes. My hubby is here, look at me one time eye. I no sense. Apa yang habis dulu bilang kata. Iyalah. Iyalah. My sabi. Guys, I'm on a weight loss journey, but with this peanut butter, I don't think I'm still on a weight loss journey because I eat this a lot. This is like my night food. I know my hobby will be like, this woman should not finish this anyara and cucumber. But yeah, Oyo for him, oh, he's on his own. We move. Guys, I don't think that ASMR is for me. I can't do video without talking. I can't eat without talking. I know it's a bad habit, but yeah. And I can't talk like this. So, pardon me. But enjoy the sound. Sister Chichi, Afro-Italian, please don't come for me. I've locked my door already. Sister Doris, I've locked my door. Don't come for me.
This one.
Nah,
This one, Chichi.
I'm doing mukbang.
Which mukbang?
Oh, you've taken one before?
At the wait since the video no green end. Make we come the mukbang come together.
You been say I will do like 5 minutes. Carry the other one out. Oh my god, this man don't catch my scope. Oh my god. I'm doing mukbang. Yeah?
You know, it's your turn to go and film. You sent me to film your it. Go and film.
I'm not going anywhere. We finish it together. But make sure you're letting us to hear the sound. It's not you be chewing and you so we can hear the sound. Because you're doing mukbang / ASMR.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, they do this time play. I beg. No, they try them again.
I use your head showing on my video. And there's nothing that is the spirit that is taking the remaining one.
You were only taking a risk.
A risk.
You were taking. I was just looking at you. Say, when are we going to go? You say, no, go on, go. Go on, go away.
Yeah, what that can you say? When do you go?
They will not hear it when you are giving me and go on, don't worry. Continue the video.
Oh my god. This is so spicy. And I love the taste of all the spices that I use. The African nutmeg.
Nah. Nice meeting you. Getting back to my post.
How about your duty post?
Guys, we'll be coming to the end of today's video. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments below, and also share out the video with your family, your friends, and your colleagues. Thank you so much for watching, and please, I will leave in the link of the spicy peanut butter in the description box, and also the link to Sister Flo Chinyere of a Nigerian recipe. Bye, and see you in my next video. Thank you. Mwah.